What's going on, guys? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and in this video we're going to look over VGX or Voyager Digital. We're going to look at some recent news that literally just dropped, and you're definitely going to want to hear it. And then towards the end we're just going to look at Bitcoin's price and also VGX's price, see what's been going on. Now if you don't mind hitting the like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, definitely helps me out there. And let's look at this recent news. So we've got news here that FTX proposes a plan offering early liquidity to Voyager investors during this bankruptcy proceeding. But under this joint proposal, essentially, customers of Voyager would have the opportunity to start a new account with FTX with an opening cash balance funded by an early distribution on a portion of their bankruptcy claims. And customers would be able to withdraw their cash immediately or use it to purchase cryptos on FTX. Now, I assume that if you don't want to go with this, there's another way that you'll be paid out eventually, because it does say that no customer is required to participate, and participation in the joint proposal is fully voluntary. So this transaction should close early August, but of course we do have the Chapter 11 bankruptcy to work around, so that may cause some issues there, may cause, a little bit of sidestepping action. Now, in terms of this deal, FTX nor other participants would be acquiring Voyager's loans to 3AC, Three Arrows Capital, and this proposal basically anticipates that Voyager is going to pursue that money from Three Arrows Capital. So this isn't to do with FTX. Their hands are washed of that issue. So that's going to be up to Voyager to figure out. But it is nice to see that FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, is stepping in. And as said by Sam Bankman-Fried, Voyager's customers did not choose to be bankruptcy investors holding unsecured claims. The goal of our joint proposal is to help establish a better way to resolve an insolvent crypto business, a way that allows customers to obtain early liquidity and reclaim a portion of their assets without forcing them to speculate on bankruptcy outcomes and take one-sided risk. And guys, we've got the joint proposal here, and I will leave you guys a link below so you can look through every little detail if you so desire. But what do you guys think about this development lately? I bet if you're a VGX holder, it might be a bit of a sigh of relief, but I do think that either way, this is going to be a long, lengthy process, but it should be nice to get some funds early at least. But will we get everything? How are they going to pay us out? That's all to be determined. And Voyager did just give us a recent update on their USD. So if you guys do have USD, they are talking to their Metropolitan Commercial Bank, and one of their filings seeks court approval so that customers can be able to withdraw this cash from their accounts. And as said by the Voyager team, we hope to know more about the timing of these cash withdrawals after August 4th, which is when the court is set to hear this and other motions. So stay tuned on August 4th. We're definitely going to get some more developments after that date. And this is something interesting recently too, is that they're actually thinking of selling Coinify, which is one of their subsidiaries. And they do say it's a non-core asset of the company. They're paying employees and other operating costs in the ordinary course of business, and these bills are paid out of operating cash, not cash in the customer accounts, but at least they are giving an update. It's the least they could do. And it's surprising to see how much VGX is fluctuating in price considering transactions are all halted. I'm sure there's probably some other exchanges that might hold VGX. This could be why it's moving a little bit, but it's funny to see that it's still holding right around 40 cents. It really hasn't done a lot. It ran all the way up to over $1, came back down, just kind of chopping around. We definitely need more positive developments for VGX, for Voyager Digital, for this to actually move. They need to open up transactions. So I personally think VGX is going to do a whole lot of nothing until we actually get farther, until we actually see what's really going to go on with FTX and the acquisition of Voyager. Are we going to get our VGX? Are we going to get stock in Voyager the company? Are we just going to get a different crypto, even USD or something? There are still a lot of unsolved questions, and it's likely to be a lengthy process. Now, really quick, guys, I wanted to give you an update on Bitcoin. We did break out of this trend line here, so we may be in for some lower levels. I'm keeping an eye on it to see that it holds 22,000, but if it breaks from there, it's very likely that our next level of support would be roughly 21,500, 21,600. That is an area that we chopped around a bit, but if we don't find support there, it's very possible that we break 20,000. But do keep in mind that ever since the 18th of June, Bitcoin has been in an uptrend, creating new higher lows. So you definitely want to keep an eye on this long-term trend as well and see that we continue in this slow upward pattern. But that's basically all I got for you guys. Didn't give you a Voyager update lately. They finally got some news out here, so I figured I'd give you a quick update. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and take it easy.